Discover how to earn while you sleep. Warren Buffett was quoted as saying, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you work until the day you die. Would you like to make 2025 the last year you work a JOB? And you know what JOB stands for? Just over broke. Then we can help you. But it's going to take work. Like, can you copy and paste? Can you follow simple instructions in a video? If somebody showed you step by step exactly what to do to rank on YouTube, could you do it? Because my first video, with him working right behind, watching me do everything, that he was all his steps, it ranked number 4 and number 3 in another keyword. And guess what? I've been ranking all my videos ever since. Because he has simple step-by-step instructions. Shows you exactly what keywords to use, what exactly to name your videos, cut and paste descriptions. Like, it can be that easy. You could start dominating leaderboards. Do you believe it? You got to believe it. They say wishful thinking. No, you have to have that mindset where you know you can do this, where you know, and that's the thing, he brands you as a leader. He gives you bonuses to give to your team. Would you like to be in a traffic rotator where I give you leads, traffic, sales? So the first person to come in with me, I have a rotator. And when I get an all-in sale, I'm going to put that person in the rotator. I'm going to spend the money, and I'm going to get leads for me and that person. So it would make sense, right? To be the first person, which is when I buy, and I take that traffic, I take that money, that $220, and I buy traffic. Would it make sense to be the first person that's getting free leads and sales? Possibly. And this company actually guaranteed sales depending on what the package you get. Guaranteed amount of leads and sales. No other ones, and this is a limited time offer. They also have programs where you can get it for traffic for up to half off. And these people are traffic gurus. They've been in this business for over 10 years. Top tier, tier 1 traffic, and even guaranteed leads and sales. If you don't have traffic, if you can't get the eyeballs to your offer, you're dead in the water. So, what is my review? My Affiliate Mentor Review 2025. What is my review of the company? Oh, it's going places. They just got Mac Mills as one of their affiliates. But guess what? I'm glad I'm with Justin Temple and the Simple Freedom Warriors, because our training is top notch. Like, literally every single step you're going through, how to buy Bitcoin, how to trade Bitcoin, every step of what you actually are, name the videos one by one, all the description, all the tags, exactly what to do to rank on YouTube. And guess what? We're dominating the leaderboards. And you can teach a man to give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Do you understand the power of this? Because he's basically training your people and their people and their people. And he's going to make your job easy. He's going to make you sought after. Tell your story. Build your list. Start where you can, down the road, you have enough people, knowing, liking, trusting you, that you can just click send and make $1,000 a day. There are people doing it in this industry in affiliate marketing. There's people doing way more than that. And we have the best bonuses. Do I recommend Affiliate Mentor? Yeah, I do. Because they are the front end for Traffic Authority. And it's going to go big places in 2025. There's a lot of other programs, but this is the one you want to be in. And you know what? You want to be on our team, because our team is dominating the YouTube leaderboards when every time we rank a video, they rank in the first page. All our people are all over YouTube. And it's only going to get more and more as we gain authority. Guess what? We're working together. I did a video yesterday where we are actually watching each other's videos. We're clicking on each other's emails. We're supporting each other, and we're actually looking for the videos by the keywords and with the YouTube thumbnail. And guess what? Before we put ours in, we have to watch 5 other people's videos. Do you see the power of this? That we're actually going to watch the whole video. And there's a way to watch 5 videos at a time, by the way. This is no team is going to help you like him. He spends 2 hours building your guys' businesses live every single day. Who else is going to buy leads and sales and build your list and get you sales for simply being on their team and going to train you and your people and your people's people? It's like having a clone army of trained people people are going to be begging, to knocking on your door. You aren't going to have to look for them. They're going to be looking for you. Get on YouTube. You don't have to put yourself on camera. You can make a video just like I did yesterday. We were screen capturing and explaining things step by step. But why would you bang your head, not do it when the same thing doesn't work and you do it over and over again? Oh, I'll try this. It has to be the program. I'll get it. I got this better program now. It just came out. They may not even be here 6 months from now. Or would you get with somebody actually cares about you, is going to show you step by step, going to get on calls with you, going to get on live webinars with you and help you build your business, whatever it might be. Whatever you want your main program to be or you're in, go on with it. He's going to help you. So, in the first step in this process, once you get in, is to get on a call with him. So all you got to do is welcome your new team member and send them to the team page. Can you do that? Can you follow simple instructions on how to make videos, how to rank videos, how to buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, trade Bitcoin? Like the training is fire. Nobody's going to help you like that person. I have prayed and hoped for a mentor like Justin Temple. And guess what? I got way more than I bargained for. He's amazing. And he's going to lead me to passive and residual income. And he's going to lead me to quitting my job. I believe it. Are you ready to make 2025 your best year ever? Are you ready to make 2025 the last year you work at JLB? I sure am. I'd love for you to be the first of many people that's going to join me this year. I'm JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friendly neighborhood Saleh Man, and this is my Affiliate Mentor Review 2025. I'll see you in the next one. Don't delay. Get with JJ today. Peace.